A claim to my so-called fame is I just copy what really smart people do. There's no shame in my game. If I see someone that's doing something, like I don't have to be as smart as them, as good looking as them. I just have to copy what they do. And so you bring up a really good point, and that's where, a lot of my keys to my success is just taking what exceptionally smart people have done and just replicating it. And I'm not saying I'm smart, but I've spent the better part of 24 years in lending, concentrating on stuff. So I've learned some things. And as it relates to our industry, I've learned that if rates are high, builders keep building homes. If rates are low, builders keep building even more homes. When I was approached with doing the coaching for new construction, I had been always just, giving everything away for free, just like, hey, take it, make it your own. But as the coaching team, told me like, hey man, when you give stuff completely away for free, people don't take as much ownership and stock in it. Well, you should do coaching. And so I opened up the coaching and we had a crazy response to it. I mean, close to 50, 60 people were ready to sign up. During the last 2.5 months as we wrap up, close to a little over 30, it's been phenomenal. I mean, the little things that I almost take for granted that I do in my sleep, I'm like, you don't have to know the DNA involved in it, just copy it. Just copy and paste.